Doors play a critical role in the overall functionality, aesthetics, and security of your property. Whether you own a home or run a business in West Jordan, choosing custom door installation offers unique advantages over off-the-shelf options. Custom doors are designed to fit your exact needs, providing a perfect balance of style, durability, and performance. Here's why investing in custom door installation is a smart move for your West Jordan property. Tailored fit for your space. Standard doors often come in limited sizes and may not fit your unique door openings perfectly. This can lead to gaps, drafts, and a less than ideal appearance. Custom door installation ensures that your door is tailored specifically to your space. Whether you have an older home with non-standard door frames or a business with unique entryway dimensions, custom doors are designed to fit seamlessly. A perfect fit not only enhances the visual appeal of your property but also improves energy efficiency by minimizing air leaks. With a custom door, you can be confident that every inch of your entrance is properly sealed and secure. Enhanced aesthetics and curb appeal. Custom doors give you the opportunity to express your style and complement the architecture of your property. With a wide range of materials, colors, finishes, and decorative options, you can create a door that reflects your personality and enhances the curb appeal of your home or business. For homeowners, a beautifully crafted custom door can serve as the focal point of your exterior, creating a welcoming and distinctive entrance. For businesses, a custom door that aligns with your brand's aesthetic can leave a lasting impression on customers and clients, setting your property apart from the competition. Increased security and peace of mind. Security is a top priority for both residential and commercial properties. Custom doors can be designed with advanced security features, such as reinforced frames, high-grade locks, impact-resistant glass, and tamper-proof hinges. These features make it more difficult for intruders to gain access, providing peace of mind for you and your family or employees. For businesses in West Jordan, enhanced security means protecting your assets and maintaining a safe environment for employees and customers. Custom doors offer the flexibility to incorporate the latest security innovations to suit your specific needs. Improved energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is a key consideration for any property owner, especially in West Jordan's climate. Custom doors can be designed with energy-efficient features, such as insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass. These elements help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling and lowering your energy bills. By minimizing drafts and heat loss, custom doors contribute to a more comfortable and energy-efficient indoor environment. This not only saves you money but also reduces your carbon footprint, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Durability and long-lasting performance. Custom doors are built to last. Unlike mass-produced options, which may be made with lower quality materials, custom doors are often crafted from high-grade materials that offer superior durability. Whether you choose wood, steel, fiberglass, or another material, you can expect a door that withstands daily wear and tear, harsh weather conditions, and long-term use. Investing in a durable custom door means fewer repairs and replacements over time, providing excellent long-term value. Personalization to suit your needs. One of the greatest benefits of custom door installation is the ability to personalize every aspect of the door. You can choose the design, material, color, hardware, glass options, and more. For homeowners, this means creating a door that complements your interior and exterior decor. For businesses, it means aligning your entrance with your brand's image and making a strong statement. Custom options can also include unique features such as decorative glass inserts, side lights, transoms, and intricate carvings. Personalization allows you to create a door that meets both functional and aesthetic requirements. Boosting property value. A custom door is an investment that adds value to your property. Potential buyers and clients recognize and appreciate the craftsmanship, style, and functionality of a well-designed door. By enhancing your home or business's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security, a custom door can increase your property's market value and make it more attractive to prospective buyers or tenants. Professional installation for optimal results. To maximize the benefits of a custom door, professional installation is essential. Expert installers ensure that your door is fitted precisely, operates smoothly, and performs at its best. This eliminates issues such as misalignment, drafts, and security vulnerabilities, providing you with a door that meets your expectations and delivers lasting value. Elevate your space with a custom door. Choosing custom door installation for your West Jordan home or business offers numerous advantages, from improved aesthetics and security to enhanced energy efficiency and long-lasting performance. By tailoring your door to fit your exact needs and style preferences, you can create a striking entrance that makes a lasting impression. Trust the experts to bring your vision to life and enjoy the unique benefits that only a custom door can provide. It's an investment that delivers beauty, function, and value for years to come.